Hi friends! So today's video is going to be about storing your seasonal wear. We all always find that we have less space in our cupboard or wardrobes to store our regular clothes. Because one of the reasons is that we store our seasonal clothes in our cupboards. So today I thought I will share with you all different methods of storing your seasonal wear which you can store somewhere else rather than storing it in your cupboard, and it will free up some space in your cupboard for your regular wear. So I'm going to show you 2 to 3 methods or different ways of storing them, and you can decide what suits the best for you. So let's see the first method. So these are the boxes that I have been using to store all the seasonal wear. So before I talk about this storage, I would like to show you the categories or the labeling that I have done on the boxes. So as you can see, this box stores rainy wear, this stores all the winter wear, and I've been storing all the seasonal wear of the whole family in this. So it becomes easier for us to know, and the label, it really helps so that it reduces my work of every time telling the other family members where the things belong. So it really helps to label it. So now this is a category that you can see the label that I have put is vacation and beach wear. Yes. So what happens is most of the time there are some clothes that we wear only when we go on a vacation, or some maybe even beach wear that I've mentioned, like our favorite destination is Goa. So whenever we go to Goa, so there are certain clothes that we need there that we usually wear only when we are in Goa. So maybe the beach shorts or the other clothing. So I always store them in this so that it doesn't occupy space in my cupboard, because most of the time those clothes are not being used at all. Okay, so now moving on to these boxes. These are the cardboard boxes that I've been using. As you can see, it has a lid, but if you can see, what has happened is over the period the boxes have lost the shape. Okay, so it is losing its shape, and of course to make maximum utilization of the storage that I have, I keep these boxes on top of each other, so that also it doesn't hold this. So that's the reason it is losing shape. Even the cover, if you see, it's now faded because I've been using for many years now, so it has lost its shape. So you can see it's bending, the thing has bent. So now this is one storage. This also has the same problem of losing its shape, but at the same time this doesn't have a cover, a lid. So storing clothes in this is not practical. So so this is one of the product that I've been using, and now I'm thinking of shifting to another product. So let me show you other 2 products that I have shortlisted for this, and which you can also have a look and see if those products suits your need. So this is one of the product that I am going to try and use to store my seasonal wear. So I think you have seen this product in one of my video also, where we have stored curtains. If you have not seen, I will share the link for the same in the description. So you can see that this has a good storage space, plus it has steel supports which makes this box very sturdy. And also we can just try and see if we can stack this on top of each other. So yes, so it can be stacked on top of each other. So yeah, this is one of the product that I had shortlisted, and I will share with you all one more product that I think can be a good option to store our seasonal wear. So this is a plastic container. This is a plastic box that I got from IKEA. So you can see it has a good storage space. It has a plastic lid, and this has wheels, so it can be easily moved from place to place. So this is very useful if you want to store your seasonal wear, and you can store it underneath your bed. I mean, if you have a space underneath the bed, so this can be a good storing option. And one more advantage of this is this boxes can be stacked on top of each other. So if you have a closet, or you have a walk-in closet or a space where you can stack them, so it can be a very good option also. So let me show you. I'll just stack them. So this is how it can be stacked on top of each other. So today we have seen 3 products. One is this, the other is the container, the plastic containers, and this storage. So we have seen 3 products for storing your seasonal wear. So you can decide as per the space available in your house and where you're going to store the seasonal wear. So that will give you an idea of what kind of storage you should opt for. So I will leave that decision to you all, but I would also like to know from you all which storage option you all are going to choose for your home, and you can mention that in the comment box and let me know. So if you have liked today's video, please do not forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay organized.